palm tree house with garden, tropical U-shaped house with woodwork, double height living area, and wraparound veranda, hibiscus herb. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we take you on a tour of a stunning tropical U-shaped house featuring beautiful woodwork, a spacious double height living area, and a wraparound veranda that embraces the natural surroundings. This architectural gem combines modern luxury with a tropical ambience, creating a serene and inviting home. Glowing star, what you'll discover: U-shaped design, how the layout enhances privacy and creates a central outdoor space. Woodwork details, features and craftsmanship that highlight the use of wood throughout the house. Double height living area, a grand living space that opens up to the outdoor veranda. Wraparound veranda, perfect for enjoying outdoor living and entertaining while soaking in the tropical views. Natural light, design elements that maximize natural light and ventilation. Integration with nature, how the house blends seamlessly with its lush tropical surroundings. Interior decor, stylish and comfortable furnishings that complement the tropical theme. Energy efficiency, sustainable features and materials that promote eco-friendly living. Hibiscus, why watch? Architectural inspiration. Get ideas for designing your own tropical retreat with a focus on woodwork and open living. Spaces, tropical living. Experience the beauty of living in harmony with nature in a tropical climate. Outdoor entertaining. Discover how to create a perfect setting for entertaining guests and relaxing with family. Interior design tips. Learn how to incorporate natural elements and textures into your home decor. House with garden for home enthusiasts. Whether you're planning to build a new home or looking for inspiration to renovate, this video provides valuable insights into tropical architecture and design. Join our community, subscribe for more home tours, architectural inspiration, and design ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts on this